So next chapter 2, I am taking chapter number 2, that is polynomial. Polynomial. Okay. So first of all, the meaning of polynomial. What is polynomial? And what are the types of polynomial? What are the degree of the polynomial? So we will start from here. Types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. So, but the polynomial means, what is polynomial? Polynomial means any algebraic expression. Any algebraic expression can be written as in the form of with the sign of plus, minus, multiplication, division. This is the very simple definition. Otherwise, we will define it. A polynomial means px is equals to a naught x to the power n plus p1 into x to the power n minus 1 and plus p2 x to the power n minus 2 and so on. This is the senior class definition, where p naught, p1, p2 are any integers and n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. are non-negative, that is positive integer. Okay, that is positive integer. So types of polynomial. Polynomial can be classified on the basis of term. Okay, on the basis of term and on the basis of degree. On the basis of degree. Okay, on the basis of degree or power. So on the basis of term, this is first is monomial, then binomial, then trinomial, then quadrinomial. Okay, and now mono, what is the meaning of mono? Mono means one, real term. So if any algebraic expression which is having only one term, that is called monomial. For example, it may be 3x, it may be only 2. Here is this is constant polynomial anyhow. So don't write this here. Okay, so we will write then constant polynomial, constant polynomial, polynomial. Okay, polynomial one term. There will be no plus or minus sign. Okay, or it may be 4 by 2x square, or it may be 5x to the power 3. Only one term is there. Okay, binomial means there should be two terms. There should be two terms. For example, 3x plus 2, okay, or x square minus 2x, or x cube plus 2x square, etc. So these are the example of binomial. Trinomial means an algebraic expression which is having how many terms? Three terms. Three terms, right? For example, x square plus 2x minus 5, there are three terms. X cube minus 2x square plus 5x. Now again they are having three terms. Okay, so in this way we can give the example of trinomial. And quadrinomial means that is having how many terms? Four terms, right? Four terms. Quad means four. So quadrinomial means four terms, an algebraic expression which is having four terms. For example, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x and minus 8. This is a quadrinomial because they are having four terms. This is one term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Okay. Now, in one question, maybe raising in your mind an algebraic expression which is having five terms or six term or more than seven term. So what we will call it? So we will call it simply a polynomial, right? So these are the classification of polynomial. Okay. So monomial is also a polynomial because it is a type of polynomial. Binomial is also a type of polynomial. Trinomial is also a type of polynomial. Quadrinomial is also a type of polynomial. Now, the constant polynomial means an algebraic expression which is having no variable, only constant number. Okay, and the constant polynomial means, for example, only 2, only 5 by 3, only -6, whatever it may be, there should be no variable, then it is called constant polynomial. Got it? Okay. Now, the second I am taking on the basis of degree. On the basis of degree. On the basis of degree, there are, what is constant polynomial? First of all, constant polynomial. Okay, then linear polynomial, then quadratic polynomial, then cubic polynomial, then biquadratic polynomial, right? Constant polynomial, the degree of constant polynomial is always, okay. And on this point, one question is asked in the last year question paper. The constant polynomial of the degree is, this is asked in the multi MCQ question. And linear polynomial means a polynomial having degree 1. Degree 1, right? For example, it may be 2x, it may be 3 by 5x, okay, whatever it's may be, etc. So this is linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 2. For example, 2x square power is 2, degree is 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, either it may be a monomial term, it may be a binomial, it may be a trinomial, right? For example, 3x square plus 2x minus 3, again it is an example of quadratic polynomial. Then cubic polynomial. A cubic polynomial means a polynomial is having degree 3, 3 degree. Okay. So for example, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Now there are 4 terms. Don't worry about the terms. The maximum power. The maximum power is 3. So degree will be 3. Right. For example, 4x cube minus x square. Again, it is an example of cubic polynomial. Or 5 by 7 x cube. Again, it is an example of cubic polynomial. Okay. Now, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial means a polynomial is having 4 or more degree, then it is called biquadratic polynomial. But your syllabus is only constant polynomial, linear polynomial, and quadratic polynomial. This is not in your syllabus. So just for your information and the knowledge, I have given the cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. Okay. So with this concept, we are going to the exercise. Okay. Exercise 2.1. And exercise 2.1,